condition that was requested and posted before any action was taken. A copy was provided earlier, and then a hard copy was not supposed to be provided to you, sir.
Because my client is actually insisting for a copy because he
You
cannot
can send me a copy now, sir. That is what I do.
Well,
At saka, ang basis na pagsasabi ng batas, saan ba? Anong batas? Batas ng Pilipinas o batas na implement na nagpituloy na tayo 2 years ago? Hindi po ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're implementing the warrant for arrest is being implemented now is by virtue of a warrant for arrest issued by the ICC as contained in the red notice list, sir. But in the process of implementing the warrant of arrest and informing the President of his rights, we are applying the laws of the Philippines because it is within Philippine jurisdiction.
But we're still implementing,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
although this is being implemented by a foreign entity, but by an agency, very real.
Yes, sir. But only, sir, we have to assist also.
So, thank you, sir. And we still want to be clear ano yung rights na binasa niyo. Malaman ko, yung rights ba ng king, o rights ba ng Pilipino, o rights ba ng...
Those are the Miranda rights, sir, under our laws. That was read by Brigadier General Nicole, sir.
Has the Miranda rights been adopted by the convention?
It doesn't necessarily have to be, sir.
Hindi ko masyado, sir. Relax lang tayo, kaibigan tayo.
Yes, sir.
Pero pagkatapos nito, magkikita rin tayo. Whether I'm in jail or somewhere else, we will eventually see together. So let us not grab it. Ang anong gusto naman naman, kasi siyempre, I am a Filipino citizen. Galing ko lang sa labas, sa bakasyon. At ito ang nangyari sa akin. So, ang first is, what is the basis for my arrest? If I am being arrested now for detention, on the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed?
Allow for answer, Mr. President, sir.
Yes, sir.
Based on the warrant of arrest, Mr. President, the warrant of arrest is issued pursuant to Article 25, 3, subsection A, the statute for the crimes against humanity, and murder pursuant to Article 7, paragraph 1, subsection A of the same statute, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period. That is the one which is mentioned, Mr. President, in the warrant of arrest.
Ano nga, simple yung hindi right na.
Yes, sir.
Because we want to exercise our option. Ay, kasi nga, sir, hindi naman yun. Hindi yung ipiprito dito, ay yung natanggap ko dito.
Show us the basis of the, restriction of freedom in something.